3D printing designs like miniature and jewelries require high-definition 3D printing. With Novio 3D printers, you can do high-definition quality 3D printing that you need in printing very small details of any 3D printing design. It is because of Novio 3D printer's Diamond XTR Extruder 0.1mm nozzle. We are the only company which can print high-definition quality and stable printing with a 0.1mm nozzle. The Novio 3D's 0.1 nozzle printing can produce detailed print as small and as thin as a strand of hair, and microscopic print plastic placement technology. World's first incredibly superfine detail printing.